Hi everyone, Rebecca here. Thanks for coming back to my channel. So today's video is going to give you a little glimpse into the daycation that we had over the weekend. My husband and I took our daughter Jameson to Monterey for the day, and it was so much fun. The weather was beautiful. The water was pristine. I mean, if there is any consolation to all of us being cooped up in the house for the past 2 months, is the fact that our oceans look beautiful. I could not believe how blue the water was in Monterey. So when I was editing this video, I really wanted you to kind of feel like you were there in Monterey with us. I wanted it to feel like an escape. I wanted it to be a little time for relaxation and a little time for reflection. Additionally, at the end, you're gonna get a little fun glimpse at our karaoke craziness inside the vehicle on the way home. So what I would like you to do is in the comments do 2 things. 1, I want you to see if you can guess what song Alan and I are singing at the end of this video. 2, I want you to also tell me what your daycation, vacation, or staycation is going to look like once all of the quarantines have been lifted. And if you're having a hard time figuring out what song we're singing at the end, stick around to the end because I might give you a little clue as to what we're singing. So are you ready to go to Monterey yet? Have you figured out what we were singing? So here's a little bit of a hint. This was a boy band from back in the 90s, and they just recently made a resurgence. And they're actually doing a tour across the United States, or at least they were planning on it this fall. Hopefully that's still going on. Hopefully this video provided you with a little bit of relaxation time, and maybe they'll give you a little bit of inspiration to get out of the house for a little bit, even if it is just for the day. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you click that subscribe button down below, hit the like button, and hopefully I will see you next time. Stay happy and healthy, everybody, and get out of the house. Bye.